phela nyabaqedi power ntuma 626 mina njenge radio power mvala ubuso njengomntwana wetshawa eculture studio bangani nyalitshela ziyawa buzi afri art itesile art yakutshela masikhona kulit sifit bathu khizwela nguye bad youth batshele kados ngamadili ngiyakutshela ukuthi ingomo yazicula njalo futhi kabhali etha my sister kuhamba njani. Okay, my name is Kizola Mark, aka Ukizola Dizola. I come from Sizinda, Konapo, Bulawayo. Culture Studios. At Nazasena Chumamiti, I heard it from Mzo 7. Okay, so the song Cup Clash, like a Cup Clash, what happens in Harare, like whereby artists they get into the stage, they compete for the cup, like was the king of St. Danso. Then the song speaks about what happened with Cup Clash. It's what happened with Cup Clash, like Culture Studios. I was really shame.
Culture Studios.
Ligu nanzelele Kizola dizola eyothana man we there phela besokusexeni ekuseni yemini iphupha phela mina bengigadi Lamborghini nga receive call unknown ngokuphangisa let me answer my phone ngezwa kuya mfana siyawa kugcwele mfana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kosokusile ligu nanzelele bekuyikapkashi ntwana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana Speaker lokundisi evuli laptop saba yenzela song ezwathuka futhi asika suthi we want some more ligu yothana man kadzosa kamakuru one Kizola makawilo DJ kulo kabeza buraka Pablo Diallo ligu nanzelele kuyikapkashi ntwana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana Zembona uthana man sekhipha ibhantani mina lapha sokufune inye iphathani wangena uma-9 wabashanga ama-line ligu nanzelele phela sonke besigqoka ama-jeans kuma-beats bekulo freezy kuyiphulo behlanya amafanzi ligu nanzelele bekuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kapkashi ntwana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana kuyikapkashi ntwana Bezisiwa imbijana kugcwele konke abafana lamankazana